using a fork and some paint to make fireworks? Let's see how easy this pin is. Grab some blank paper. Your red, white, and blue craft paint. And I used a disposable fork. You're also going to need a paper plate to put your paint on. Start with dipping your fork in the paint. Then simply take your fork and start making designs on your paper. Look, fireworks! So I think this turned out really cute. It would be a great project for your kids this 4th of July on a day that they're bored and just need something to do. It was simple and easy. I used a disposable fork and a paper plate. So my only mess was this, and this is going on the refrigerator. So this is a totally successful pin, and you should try it at home. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for daily DIY Pinterest videos. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, and Vine at Melina the Pinterest Queen. You can find directions to this video on my blog at queenbeing.com. And please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Using bendable straws and paint to make some fireworks. Let's see how easy this pin is.